What's up with y'all, you heard me? You know this P, Parrot Thugger. This Mr. Thugger, aka Parrot Thugger. I don't know Wildlife Entertainment. Y'all know we've been gone. My Facebook fans fucked up your day. I lost my password, whatever you want to call it. Well, haven't been with y'all, been gone. We're letting y'all know Wildlife still in effect, you dig? We ain't stopping, you heard me? Rest in peace to the President Stone. You feel me? It's all good, you heard me? We lost him, you heard me? This past year. You know, we lost Teasy for the minute, for the moment, you heard me. He be home soon. My nigga Junior, he still out here working and hustling hard, working for hire, you feel me? Me, I'm right now, I'm in Leo Kitchen. At the same time, I'm still doing Wildlife Entertainment. I got the Park Boys coming for y'all, you figure deal me? I got the Swagmen coming, you feel me? I got Gangsta Boogie, you feel me? I got a whole lot of other stuff coming for y'all, for all the little albums and stuff I done lost on my phone, people that done found my phones and my book of rhymes, my auction, you probably auctioned them all, found them, or sold them niggas that done stole hooks and rhymes, beats. I ain't even tripping on that, you hear me? It's still Wildlife Entertainment. My nigga Gunner, you feel me? He's out here, nigga Wacko, he MIA somewhere, you heard me? You know, for the Bird Gang, you know, they still banging it up, you feel me? Probably banging them females right now, you dig? We ain't fucking with the streets too much, you know, we trying to shake back at the same time. We never went nowhere. This like my second series of this Wildlife thing. I'm be hitting y'all with the lyric part of it. At the same time, I'm working on the Wildlife movie, you feel me? It's Wildlife as Wildlife Entertainment. Don't forget that, and y'all already know how we coming. Raw, uncut, real live stuff, you feel me? Straight from the nose, straight from that loot, you figure deal me. I'm doing this so you heard me. What's up to my nigga Ziggy? You dig? My nigga Taz, he still MIA, you feel me? My nigga Absolute, I know he out there. Nigga Ratchet 5150, 8180, you heard me? Yeah, my nigga Diggum, my executive producer, this thing, you feel me? He still working on promotions, you feel me? I know, y'all know my nigga Cool to see all the thing, you dig? Yeah, he still doing it, getting money, you heard me? And for all the rest of my little niggas, you heard me? Wildlife Entertainment, Munchie. Everybody else, you dig, my Park Boys, my niggas out, you dig, hustling by the park, playing ball, staying in school, you feel me? Fuck it, you heard me? It's all good, we gonna get money. Excuse my French, you heard me? Straight from the French part of North Louisiana, it's Park Boy Wildlife Entertainment. Don't sleep on me, it's not a game. It's real life, it's wildlife. One.